We're at Analog Devices in Wilmington, Mass. And we're going to do another story on one of the coolest technologies we saw early in the drive for innovation, impact sensors for sporting goods, sporting helmets. What the hell? Rob O'Reilly, walk us through the ADXL 193.
Well, the ADXL 193 was traditionally an airbag side satellite sensor. And we were approached by a company that does a lot of ambulatory rehabilitation equipment, had an idea for a concussion analysis system. We told them we had a sensor that we thought would work, and we kind of taught them how to put the system together using an airbag sensor to really do concussion analysis.
What the hell?
Right, each one of these sensors on the end of these spring-loaded clips is one of the ADXL 193s. There's a DSP, a battery set, and an RF chipset to do the communication to the sideline assist system. It really didn't add any weight to the helmet, which was very, very important because of what we took out. It was almost equal in mass to what we put back in.
So it's transmitting force data every time you get hit. And what's the wireless protocol? Is it Wi-Fi? Is it Zigbee? Is it
No, this is a stadium protocol, a 1384 stadium protocol. It's the same thing that they use to transmit scores and everything else, which is an issue since anybody can collect the data if they really wanted to on the sideline. Some of the newer systems, especially going into the NFL, will have proprietary RF so that the two coaches aren't pitting one against each other. What's happened, I don't know if you've paid attention, but the helmets have changed quite a bit since the inception of this system. Tom Brady is now wearing something that has gel and a bunch of other stuff to where there's not as much support required by the chin strap. It turns out that that's what's holding it onto your head. So a lot of these force and accelerations that you experience are coming right through the chin, causing TMJ issues, other jaw-related issues. So you're starting to see the technology change a little bit to where the helmet is almost self-sufficient. It will stay in your head, even under some of these 140 and 150 G impacts.
So Rob, let's do a demo now. Show us how this thing actually works in practice.
Okay, so what's happening right now is you're in constant communication with the system over here, and it's waiting to be triggered. And it will be triggered by a blow to the head.
What the hell?
You can see that you experienced a bit of a blow here, 2 impacts, about 13 Gs, and it was right to the right side of your head, right behind your earlobe.
So do you foresee a world in which this is ultimately tied into your Yahoo fantasy football team?
Interesting you asked that. I think one of the fears of the NFL originally was somebody else knowing that somebody just got hit with a level that exceeded a threshold that warned a coach, to where maybe they could go over and say, hey, if you go get him one more time, maybe he's out of the game. So I'm not sure that that's in the immediate future, but I think once they figure out the protocol, how to lock it down, maybe the data gets posted post-game. I don't know that it will be a real-time thing anytime soon, just because of that one aspect.